everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's episode is about turning those nearly expired bread to something brand new or tastier, a classic bread pudding. But first, here are the ingredients. Bread cut into small pieces. You can also use donuts, evaporated milk, condensed milk, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, melted butter, eggs, and raisins. Next, prepare the ingredients. Chop the raisins into fine pieces. And in a bowl, crack the eggs and beat until the texture becomes like so. Then add the evaporated milk and condensed milk as you continuously stir the mixture. Pour in the melted butter into the mixture and stir until well blended. Add the brown sugar and mix until it dissolves completely into the mixture. Then add some salt and vanilla extract. Again, stir well to evenly distribute the flavors. Lastly, add the finely chopped raisins. Now pour the mixture to the cut bread and gently mix and press the bread in order to sip all the liquid mixture. While we wait for the mixture to settle in the bread, grease the pan with melted butter. After which, transfer the bread mixture into the greased pan and bake for 35 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven. When the pudding is already baked, remove it in the oven to let it cool a bit. Then serve. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.